In today's digital age, smart manufacturing demands intelligent, sustainable solutions. Introducing TeSys Tera. Schneider Electric's intelligent motor management system that gives your equipment a brain. Seamlessly integrated with major protocols and ecostructure. TeSys Tera significantly reduces downtime. Experience twice as fast diagnostics, proactive maintenance, and a modular design that adapts to your needs, providing flexibility for installation. Advanced features like load shedding and auto restart keep operations continuous even in demanding environments. Engineered for sustainability, TeSys Tera helps reduce waste, energy use, and your carbon footprint. Take a leap into the new era of intelligent motor management with TeSys Tera.